Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Chat. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to your browser, then type in the search bar ClickUp Chat, and you will have to log in or sign up if you do not have an account. And after that, they will ask you some questions and you will be able to name your workspace. And now here, the name of my workspace is Zane Zone, as you can see. Here on the left, you have home, inbox, chat, etc. And now let's get into the chat, which is why I made this video. Now, here as you can see, you have here on the left things like the replies. Let's say that someone typed a specific thing in the chat and you want to reply to him particularly. When you click on reply and thread, let's say hi to, for example, it will be shown right here in the replies. And here you have two sections, on red and read. When I click on read, it will show me the replies that I have already seen. So here as you can see, when I go to the chat, then click on post, you can simply post a thing. I'm gonna type the post title, our new project, for example. Let's say that I've created this post. I can also add a voice note, a recorded video of myself from my webcam, and you can also attach a file. Let's say that I want to upload a photo, for example. I will upload this photo, then click on post. And here, as you can see, I have added the post in this section, in this chat channel. You can also click on add chat channels in order to add a new one. Let's say that I will choose team space. And this is just things that is custom to you. You can also click on add chat and add more, and you can click on these three dots and create a chat section. I'm gonna name it work, for example. Then click on create, and here you will find the section just up right here. You can add chat or people or create a channel like this one right here. You can also invite members from this section. You have to just enter the email of the person that you want to add. So now let's get back to post. When you go now to post, it will show all the posts that you have created in all of your chat channels. So here you have the chat channels and here you have the direct messages with people. And here in this section, you have the drafts and sent. Let's say that I want to message someone. Let's say that I'm going to type hello, for example. And now I didn't send the message. When I go to draft and send, it will show me the messages that I was about to type, but I forgot to send. So you can simply click on it and send it if you want to send it, or do some edits, then send it again. And here when you type slash, you can simply add some suggestions like the table, banners, checklist. And you can also use the AI. Let's say that I want to type how many countries in Europe, for example. This is how you can use the AI. Then click on enter. It will chat with you. And now you can simply insert this information to the chat. Then click on send and send it to anyone you want. And when you go back to the chat channel, you can also track your project. You can simply click on the board and see how the tasks are managed. So this is a very good feature if you want to chat with your team and track all the progress about the work without the need to navigate between applications. So you have here also the calendar if you want to add something or add an appointment to your calendar to all of your teams. Here you have the post, the chat. You can also click on view and add a list, add a document, or add things from Google Docs, Google Macs, etc. And here when you click on list, you will see all the tasks in list view, and you can also show it in the board view. You can add a group, add a section in order that you need to do so. Now here, if you want to add a new channel, you can simply click on add chat, then click on project, for example. You can also react on a specific message by clicking on this reaction button. Just hover over the message and click on this reaction button and do any emoji that you want, or simply click on like button. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.